This hole-in-the-wall taco shop sees hundreds of customers a day. Mexican luchador wrestlers painted on the walls, colorful drinks that look like an experience, live music on the weekends, and delicious Mexican food, as if you ordered it fresh in Mexico City. That's the draw to El Chilango on Southwest 44th and Penn in Oklahoma City.
I'm not gonna say I'm the best one, but I'm the king of trompo. I'm the king of street tacos. Nobody can beat me on that.
Owner Alex Trejo says he wants his restaurant to be delicious, affordable, and fun.
And I'm so proud of my family because finally a dream come true. El Chilango means a good vibe, good food. We're trying to be always on the top on things. We're trying to have real Mexican food and trying to have the most traditional Mexican food.
El Chilango means someone who's from Mexico City. Trejo grew up there and wanted to bring authentic Mexico City cuisine to Oklahoma City. What's the most traditional plate?
A ranchero steak, tacos al pastor, tacos de suadero, tacos de asada.
Don't come here looking for Tex-Mex.
We don't sell sopapillas, we don't sell chimichangas, we don't sell taco salad. That's not Mexican.
El Chilango's motto is King of the Trompo. That's the marinated meat that slowly cooks on a vertical rotisserie. The meat is shaved off from the outside. And we love the branded tortillas and branded bread when you order tortas. The tortas, the tacos, and the Gringas are the most popular dishes.
You know what gringa means?
It's a white girl, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought so.
Why gringa is because in Mexico City, the gringa showed up and say, I want a taco with that tortilla, that, and that, and that. So we get it together. They say, hey, the gringos are coming. We know what to give them. It's something created for gringas.
I love that.
We're gonna make the gringa with our branded tortilla.
Whoa.
As you see, it's a homemade tortilla, and then we brand it. We have different meats. We have beef, pork, or chicken. That right here is asada. We do our asada on the charcoal every morning.
What are you putting on there now?
We put in onion, put in cilantro, and avocado slice.
The gringa.
This is the gringa.
I love it.
This is tomatillo sauce. So we grill it tomatillo and 4 different peppers. This is green sauce with guacamole sauce. And this is a red sauce. This is spicy, not too spicy, and be careful.
Okay. So what's on the chips?
Powdered cheese. That's why Chilango. Why Chilango? Because all these things.
So I'm gonna take a bite of this. Would I just fold it up, or?
Yeah, you just fold it up.
All right, here we go. That's good. A little bit hot too.
This is the thing. We marinate our meat all night. Some of them shows at 3 in the morning. So we marinate from there to like 10. So that's 7 hours. And then we throw them on the grill with charcoal. It always stays the same because the recipe is always the same. And we never change the flavor.
This is so good.
Thank you so much.
my God.
Now you guys wanted some, right? They're like, yeah, so good, but we don't have any.
Trejo opened his first restaurant 25 years ago with his dad and uses his grandmother's recipes.
Who's not bringing customers in. So we decided to go sell burritos on the cooler. We tell the people, hey, we have a restaurant, 4 tables. That was our first restaurant. Wow. And then we worked so hard. My dad, he's been a grateful man. He's been a great person. He's my icon. That's how I learned all this. He told me one day, son, I give you my experience and you give me your energy. And that's what we're doing. We're combining experience and energy.
Lacey Lowry, Oklahoma's own News 9.